Hey guys, I'm Kristen with Mobile Glass. I am standing in between two 2018 Honda Civics. Now, if you're watching this video, it's because you need to replace your windshield. Now, there's one thing that you need to keep in mind whenever getting that done. I will show you this one first. This windshield, if you look at the top center, you'll see a black dot matrix pattern across the top. That's called third visor frit. It's just paint. Some people think it's an antenna or heat. It's just paint. So there's nothing super fancy besides that black dot. Now, if you look at this vehicle, this one has the Honda Sensing package. So this one looks very different than the first one I just showed you. You'll see two things. The first one, on the passenger side, you'll see a bluish purple, looks almost like a solar panel, but a little square right over there. That's the rain sensor. It just controls the speed of the windshield wipers automatically, so you don't have to do it yourself. Just a cool little feature. Now this puppy, this trapezoid clear shape in the center, that is the Honda Sensing, that they like to say, lane departure warning system, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, you name it, this thing's got it. So it just helps you with driving, adds a little bit of extra safety in your travels. Now, this is important to keep in mind when changing your windshield. We do need to know which one you have, otherwise it's not gonna fit and it's not gonna work properly. So take a picture, send it over to us, and we can tell you which one you have. Any questions, let us know. Our phone number is 800-557-3078. See you next time.